Hello and welcome back to English Fluent Forge. I'm Tom and I'm very happy you are here today. In today's episode, we will talk about motivation in language learning. Motivation means how to stay strong, how to continue, and how to enjoy learning English, even when it feels difficult. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use simple words. I repeat important ideas so you can understand easily. You can listen with me. You can repeat with me. You can speak with me. This way of learning is called shadowing. You listen first, then you repeat after me. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath. Relax your body. And let's begin together. Learning English is not easy, and that is okay. It is normal to feel tired. It is normal to feel slow. You are not alone. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. You need time to listen. You need time to practice. You need time to understand. You need time to grow and improve. Some days learning feels fun. Some days it feels hard. This is part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On hard days, just keep going. Even small steps are good steps. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to speak fast. You do not need to know every word. You only need to try. You only need to continue. Slowly, gently, step by step. You are learning. You are doing something difficult. And you're doing it well. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes it is easy. Sometimes it is hard. Sometimes you want to stop. But when you look back, you will see how far you have come. You have learned new words. You have listened and practiced. You have improved. Even if you don't see it yet, you are not at the bottom anymore. You are climbing. You are getting stronger. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly. But all learners need one thing: motivation. Motivation is not magic. It is not always loud. Sometimes it is quiet. It is a small voice that says, "Try again. Don't stop. Just one more minute." And that is enough. If you feel tired, rest and then come back. If you feel confused, breathe and try again. You do not need a perfect plan. You only need to return again and again. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe it is for your job. Maybe it is for travel. Maybe it is because you enjoy it. Your reason matters. Your reason is strong. Your reason helps you stay motivated. Every day you practice English, you move forward. Even if it is only 5 minutes. Even if it is only listening. You are growing. You are becoming better. And you should be proud of yourself. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. You are learning a new language. You are opening a door to the world. That takes courage. So stay motivated. Stay patient. Be kind to yourself. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Now, how can you stay motivated when you feel tired? Some days you feel busy. Some days you feel stressed. You may think, I don't want to study today. That is normal. Here are some simple ideas. Tip 1. Do a little. You don't need 1 hour. Just 5 minutes is enough. 1 sentence. 1 paragraph. 1 minute. Small actions, done again and again, make progress. Tip 2. Remember your reason. Why are you learning English? Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it close to you. Your reason gives you energy. Tip 3. Make it easy to start. Don't wait for the perfect time. Put your book on the desk. Save a video on your phone. Set a short timer. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to start. Tip 4. Be kind to yourself. Don't say, I'm bad at English. Say, I'm learning. Say, I'm trying. Say, I'm doing my best. You deserve kindness from others and from yourself. Tip 5. Celebrate small wins. Did you listen today? That's a win. Did you learn one word? That's a win. Did you try? That's a win too. Small victories matter. You may not always feel your progress, but the truth is, you are improving. You are better today than yesterday. To see progress, try this. Write a little every day. Record your voice sometimes. Notice small things you understand. Look back at what you couldn't do before. Slow progress is still progress. Learning is a journey, not a race. You don't need to be faster than others. You just need to keep walking. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes help you grow. Speak anyway. Practice anyway. Be brave. You can make learning fun. Listen to music. Watch videos. Read interesting things. When learning feels fun, your brain remembers better. English is not just a subject. It is a tool. It is a key. English connects you to the world. It gives you more choices, more freedom, more opportunities. And you are learning it, step by step. You reached the end of this episode. I am proud of you. You are trying. You are growing. You are showing up. I'm Tom, and this is English Unleashed. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. Bye for now. In this part, I want to talk to you about something very important. I want to talk about believing in yourself. I want to talk about continuing even when learning feels slow. Even when you feel tired. Even when you feel unsure. Please relax. Sit comfortably. Listen slowly. And remember, you don't need to understand every word. Just listen and feel the message. Many English learners feel one big problem. That problem is doubt. They say, "Am I good enough? Can I really learn English? Why is this so hard for me? Other people are better than me." If you feel this way, listen carefully. You are not weak. You are not stupid. You are not bad at English. You are human. Learning a new language is hard for everyone. Yes, everyone. Even people who speak English very well today felt confused in the beginning. They made mistakes. They forgot words. They felt shy. But they continued. And you are continuing too. Let me tell you something very important. You do not need confidence first to learn English. You learn English to build confidence. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after practice. You practice. You try. You make mistakes. And slowly confidence grows. So don't wait to feel confident. Start even when you feel nervous. That is courage. Some days you will feel good. You will understand more. You will feel proud. Other days you will feel slow. You will forget words. You will feel frustrated. Both days are normal. Progress is not a straight line. It goes up. It goes down. But overall it moves forward. Just like life. Think about walking. When you walk a long road, you don't think about every step. You just keep walking. Learning English is the same. You don't need to see the finish line. You just need to take the next step. One word. One sentence. 1 minute. That is enough. Now let's talk about fear. Many learners are afraid to speak English. They are afraid of mistakes. They are afraid of judgment. They are afraid of sounding bad. But listen to me. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake shows you what to learn next. When a child learns to speak, the child makes many mistakes. But we smile. We help. We encourage. You should treat yourself the same way. Speak like a learner. Not like a perfectionist. Perfection stops learning. Practice grows learning. You may think, my pronunciation is not good. My grammar is not perfect. My vocabulary is small. That is okay. You are not learning to be perfect. You are learning to communicate. Even simple English is powerful. People understand you. You are succeeding. Do not wait to sound perfect. Speak to be understood. Now I want you to imagine something. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You understand more English. You speak with less fear. You listen with more confidence. This future version of you exists because you did not quit today. Every small practice session is building that future. You may not feel it now, but it is happening. Let's talk about consistency. Consistency is more important than speed. Fast learning for 1 week and stopping for 1 month does not help. Slow learning every day changes your life. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. English grows when you meet it daily, like a friend, like a habit, like part of your life. Try to connect English to your daily routine. When you wake up, say 1 sentence in English. When you walk, listen to English audio. When you rest, watch something simple in English. Don't make English heavy. Make it natural. Learning should not feel like punishment. It should feel like progress. Sometimes you will feel bored. That is normal too. When boredom comes, change the way you learn. If you are tired of textbooks, listen to a story. If you are tired of grammar, watch a short video. If you are tired of listening, try speaking. There is no one right way. There is only your way. Now listen carefully. You are not late. You are not too old. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Your journey is your own. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. If today you understand 1 more word, you are winning. English is not here to judge you. English is here to help you. It helps you talk to the world. It helps you learn new things. It helps you grow. You are not learning English to impress people. You are learning English to express yourself. Your thoughts matter. Your voice matters. Now I want you to repeat this in your mind. I am learning. I am improving. I am doing my best. I will continue. Say it slowly. Feel it. Belief starts inside. One day you will look back and smile. You will remember the days you felt lost. You will remember the days you wanted to quit. And you will be proud that you did not stop. That day will come. Before we finish, I want to tell you something from my heart. I am proud of you. Not because you are perfect. Not because you are fast. I am proud of you because you are trying. Trying is powerful. Trying changes lives. So please keep going. Even on tired days. Even on busy days. Even on slow days. Learning English slowly is still learning English. And learning English is opening doors to the world. Take a deep breath. Smile. You're doing well. This is the end of. And this is not the end of your journey. It is only the beginning. Thank you for listening. Thank you for believing. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. This part is not only about learning English. This part is about becoming a new version of yourself. Please sit comfortably. Relax your shoulders. Listen slowly. And let these words stay with you. Many people think strength is loud. They think success is fast. They think learning must be hard and stressful. But real strength is quiet. Quiet strength grows every day. It grows without noise. It grows without showing off. And you already have this quiet strength inside you. When you listen to English for 5 minutes a day, no one claps for you. No one says, "Good job." But those 5 minutes are changing your brain. When you say 1 English sentence alone, no one sees you. But your mind is building a new path. That is quiet strength. Now let me ask you something. You don't need to answer out loud. Answer in your heart. Who do you want to become? A person who says, I can't speak English. Or a person who says, I am learning English. This sounds small, but this difference changes everything. Your identity is built by your words. When you say, I can't do this, your brain stops. When you say, I am learning, your brain looks for solutions. From today, change your words, and you will slowly change your identity. You are an English learner. You are a person who tries. You are not a person who quits. Now let's talk about habits. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. If you only learn when you feel motivated, you will stop. If you learn because it is your habit, you will continue even on tired days. Your habit must be very small. So small that you cannot refuse it. 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. No pressure. No excuses. Just 5 minutes for English. You may think, what can 5 minutes do? Let me tell you. 5 minutes every day becomes more than 3,000 minutes in 1 year. 3,000 minutes can change your life, but only if you continue. Sometimes you will stop. One day, maybe 1 week. This is not failure. Failure is not stopping. Failure is not coming back. Success is returning. You miss 1 day. That's okay. Come back the next day. Be kind to yourself. Do not punish yourself. Now imagine your future. A day when someone speaks English to you, and you don't panic. A day when your phone rings, and you don't avoid the call. A day when you watch a video, and you understand without translating everything. This future is possible. Not in 1 day, but with daily steps. Learning English is not only about language. It teaches confidence. It teaches patience. It teaches discipline. And when you learn these things, you don't only improve English, you improve your life. Now make a promise. Not to me, to yourself. I will practice a little every day. I will not speak badly about myself. I will not fear mistakes. I will always come back. This promise is powerful. Remember this. You don't need to know everything today. You only need to show up today. Listen today. Try today. Take 1 step today. Tomorrow will come on its own. Some people plan to learn forever, but never start. Other people start, even when they are afraid. You are the second type. That makes you strong. If someone asks you, what are you doing these days? In your heart say, I am building myself. Because learning English is building yourself. Now we are near the end. Please remember this. You are not alone. Many people are on this journey. But the people who succeed are not special. They are the people who return after stopping. Take a deep breath. Smile gently. You are enough. You are on the right path. This was Act 7. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your new identity. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Thank you for believing in yourself. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep growing, quietly and strongly.